दोस्तों, गुड मॉर्निंग। जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि मैं आपको अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंजन का टूर करवाऊंगा, ईसीआर का टूर करवाऊंगा। तो मैं आज आपको अपने सेकंड इंजीनियर सूरज शर्मा के साथ में ईसीआर का टूर करवा रहा हूं। आइए मेरे साथ ईसीआर में। Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sailor K Ganesh. Today we are going for the tour of ECR with second engineer Suraj Sharma. Here we go, start from ECR tour. My chief officer also here.
Hi, hello guys.
Rahul Singh.
Welcome. Hello.
Good morning.
Hello guys. Good morning. Let's go to have a round of ECR for the ship CSUB. So this is the main engine control room for our ship CSUB. This is where you control the ship, control the vessel, and control the propelling and power generation characteristics for the ship. So for running the engine, you have the for running the vessel, you have the main engine for propulsion, and for the all this power that is coming for the vessel is coming from the generator system. For the generator system, you have this power management system over here. This is this is main switchboard for the power management system. That is 220 volt panel, and that is 440 volt panel. This switchboard is it is giving power for all the consumers like pumps and various other lightings, and all the power is coming from main switchboard. From here again it is going to emergency switchboard and other various for the bridge, and for all the ship it is coming from here. So for this, the supply of power is coming from the main generators. On the ship we have 3 main generators for the power supply, and we have 1 emergency generator in case of loss of power for the ship. In case any of the generators loses power, the other standby generator will start, and in case that also fails, other standby generator will start. In case that third generator fails, the emergency generator will come on power, and then you can retain the power for running on emergency, and then again recover the power, and then you can run the ship on normal mode.
So these generators will start automatically, or we need to start it?
These generators will start automatically. If anything happens to the running generator, the other generator, standby generator, will come on load. Yes.
For operating the normal routine, we need 1 generator or 2 generators?
For in anchor, when the usually in anchor the load is less, so the power distribution for the while running the ship on anchor is less. So 1 generator will do when the ship is at anchorage. When the ship is sailing, that time normal sea load is around 450 to 500 kilowatt. 500 kilowatt for some extra power, like whenever some other machinery cuts in, that time it is 500 kilowatt. At that time the 1 generator is sufficient for normal running of the ship. For heavy loads, for running power pack and other heavy consumers like IG generator, you need another generator, and that time you need to run the 2 generator in parallel. And then
Any time we require 3 generators, or 2 generators sufficient for all the operations?
no, for usually for heavy loads like IG generator, for power pack you need 2 generators, but for normal running 1 generator is sufficient.
So never we used to run all the generators together.
No, it is we are consuming for efficiency, for fuel efficiency. We do not run all the generators. We will run only if it is required, just to retain the fuel efficiency. Because if running 1 generator means consuming fuel, so we are saving on fuel and conserving the efficiency.
But excuse me, sir. But some vessel I see if more than we start frame pump,
Yes,
like 6 pump or 7 pump.
Yes.
I see 3 power pack on.
Yeah,
Is it
correct.
Correct or what?
Yeah, this is correct. Depending on how much consumers, how much pumps you need to start, depending on that you need to start the power packs, and for that you need to run the generators. So if you run all 3 generators and still you are falling short of power, we still have a diesel power pack for running the cargo machineries, for the cargo consumers, for cargo pumps, and for all the cargo for running the cargo machineries. We have diesel power pack if you fall shortage of power from the 3 generators also.
So finally only depend on load. If you
Yes.
less load,
Correct.
one
Correct.
generator, and increase load, and you start 2 and
Yes.
3 like
That's
this.
right. Yes.
Okay.
So this is about the power management system. Coming. So this is the control console of ECR, and this is the main switchboard having 220 volt and 440 volt. This is controlling, and from here it is going to various consumers, various pumps, various machineries, and this is the main uh, power management system for controlling all the equipments. This is the cargo engine control console for for the for the ship, where all the engine parameters, more or less most of the engine parameters for main engine and generator and other machineries, you can see it here in the. It's basically a normal computer with the running parameters that is coming from the machinery to here. You can see all the output of the machinery parameters here in the system. Basically it's a monitor with all the running parameters. This is the all you have pressure gauge, you have temperature, and for all the tanks you can visit here in the control console. This is the telegraph lever for getting in communication with the bridge. Usually we have for control, you can control the ship from three stations: from the bridge, from the engine control room, and if both the control station is failing for controlling, then you can go to the local control station where you can control the engine locally from the maneuvering control platform. So this is coming. This is for communicating with the bridge. So whichever speed you want to, this is like officers on watch. They will communicate to engine control room for what movement they want ahead. They want ahead, astern, ahead or astern or half or whatever. They will operate this, and in for acknowledging this, the engineers will acknowledge this, and depending on that, you can control the movement of the ship and direction. Here you can see the here you can see the speed of the ship while it is running. It is at vessel is anchor, so it is 0.1, and this is the rudder angle indicator to see where you can steer the ship, where the rudder angle is. This is for that. This is the master clock. It is not like a normal clock, guys. It is a master clock. It is clock, that main clock moves. Similarly, all the clocks, slave clocks, master clock is moving on the bridge. All the slave clocks in the throughout the ship are also moving at the same time. So this is that clock. This is not like different clocks what you have in any other places. Similarly, you have this is for oil mist detector for main engine, and that is for main engine RPM to see how much speed the ship is going. This is also the to see at what RPM the main engine is going, and this is for you have a steering alarm panel to see which steering motor is running, and this is for the schematic for auxiliary for boiler. You have auxiliary boiler and you have main boiler also. You can see the schematic mimic of actually the boiler is firing, and that is being shown here. So similarly, you have this is MOP panel for the main engine. Since our engine is intelligent engine and it is camshaft controlled, you can control the various engine characteristics from this. As I told you before, there are three control stations on the ship, and these are the three control stations where you can see here. So this is like it's a touch screen. So you can basically you can control the engine using the touch screen. Amazing, na guys. So this is how it is. So this will give you an indication, a visual indication of which pumps are running, which compressor is running, and this is a fire control system, the fire repeater panel. Anything, since we are staying in a very dynamic atmosphere. There is fuel, there is hot atmosphere, there is lot of combustion sources. So this atmosphere is very much prone for catching fire, and for as a matter of safety, we have a fire control panel. We have the same panel on bridge. We have the same panel here too. We have inert gas generator for for running along in conjunction with the cargo system, so that you can inert the tanks, so that there is no case of explosion or fire in the cargo tanks. And this is the the fan control panel for the engine room and fans. And like you see here, there is a, this is basically the place. Also there is an office involved here. There's an office computer and there's an office printer. So basically it's also the place where you can manage the documents. So basically guys, this is, like I tell you, ECR is like a heart of the ship. You can do the office work here, you can control machineries, you can control the, you can have an overview of everything that is there in the ship. And this is main switchboard, and this is the emergency escape breathing device. If you have to survive yourself in an engine room which has caught fire, then you have to open the box, put yourself a mask, and then run to safety to save your life. This is the symbol for that. Behind the switchboard, you have a fire control plan. Like I said, it is very essential. It is very essential to save our lives. We take it very seriously, and we have various plans, and we have various panels to fight fire. So coming along here, this is life-saving appliances. What you have, this is life jacket, this is immersion suit. In a certain scenario where you have to save your life, for fire we have EBD, emergency breathing device. A situation where you have to abandon, that is the time when you have to run for your safety, for your lives, and for that we have the life jacket. There are life jacket here, and this is the life jacket, guys. So we wear this, we wear this, and then we run for our safety to the muster station for whatever contingency, whatever alarm is, for whatever whatever is the case, we go to the muster station. And likewise, we have for all the documentation, there are a lot of files, because this is, like I told you, this is also an office for all the paperwork that is being done. This is like, you can see the package engine control for the ECR, because this emergency switchboard is lot of electronics, lot of wires, lot of heat is being dissipated here. So this package unit is for this cargo control, engine control console, and also for the switchboard. So this is very much essential, guys. If this is not there, the lifeline of the ship, the heart of the ship, is very much prone to very much prone to heart attacks, you can say. Okay. And this, guys, is also pantry for the guys who are on the watch and who work here always.
Refreshment items over here.
We have refreshment items.
Which is also really wow. Ice cream and everything. Cookies. Wow. Tea, coffee, we can make over
You
here.
have oven, you have coffee, tea, pantry, whatever you need. Guys, this is how it is. Thank you for your
That's a good enough conversation with the Indian control room. Thank you very much, sir, and for your kind cooperation. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you guys, if you have any concern or any more details video you require for Indian control room, do let us know and ping me on.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Selake Ganesh. Welcome again. Thank you, Chief Sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.